Hey, Moe's Plumbing. My name is Lee Terbianic, and in this video, I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, you're lucky because I read minds, and the answer is oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their own business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is that they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people a free, easy attack plan of actual things that they can do to impact their business has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Lee. Please do this for me. So if by the end of the video you've liked what you heard and you can see I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, just shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of the video you want to take this free attack plan I gave you and do it yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above the competition and not waste any more of our time. The first thing I want to go over is content. You guys need at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google. 1,500 to 2,000 depending on your competition. And you guys have about 400 to 500 on your homepage. So it's not too bad. It's not a bad looking site. A little bit hard to kind of navigate through, but all in all, your content isn't bad. So this Mike Diamond is your competitor in the organic section. He is #1, Mike Diamond Services, and he doesn't have much content either. So we'd be able to really beat him if we optimized your content and did it correctly. So I typed in Plumber, Glendale, California, just to see who pops up. And the first thing that we see is ads that people are paying Google to be up on. But studies show that ads are only semi-effective and can definitely become a money pit if the ads aren't done right. The second section is the citations is what ranks this, and that's your Google My Business. So I want to talk about this. We call this the Google Map Pack or Google My Business. And in here, a citation is what ranks you, which is your name, address, and phone number. It can be listed in, Yellow Pages, Yext, City Star, even Facebook has a place to put a citation in. So it's anywhere your name, address, and phone number is listed across the web. And whoever has the most with, kind of good to great reviews usually ranks up here at the top. And the age depending, but so rate, price, router, and plumbing is up there. I did not find you guys. And I even went into view all and I couldn't find you. So I don't know if you don't have a GMB set up, but if you don't, I highly suggest getting it started because a lot of the business, if not most of your business, comes from this section right here. People need a plumber. They type that in. They come right here and call. And this third section is the organic section. This is where your regular website ranks and would show up for people who need you. So Mike Diamond Services, again, he was #1 here. The best rated. Roto-Rooters in there. Plumbing. I did not see you guys on the first page for Plumber Glendale, California, which is hurting you guys as well. So anyways, back to this GMB section. The way to get there was citations, like I said. So I put in the right price, router, and plumbing, and he has 41 citations. That's very beatable. You guys could get, 100, 150 citations, which also is getting your name, address, and phone number out there in various directories so people can find you easier. But they would be so easy to beat by getting, at least 50 good reviews, 5-star reviews that I could help you with, and adding citations, and you would be #1 in this section. So this third section, the organic backlinks, is what dictates your ranking in that. So I put your URL in this tool I use called Ahrefs, and this basically gives me an overview of your site, your stats, and traffic. So you guys don't have a bad rating so far. This is your overall rating, and this is your backlink profile rating. So you guys have a 37 and 18. You'd like to see these numbers be more close to each other, like a 37, 35, 37, 37. That gives you a strong profile, and Google loves to see that and will rank you for that. So you have 282 referring domains giving you 1.65 backlinks. That's not bad, but all backlinks aren't created equally now. Some of them can be spammy, some can hurt more than others, some are very powerful. A backlink is any other website that refers back to your website. So you want to get a lot of backlinks from relevant websites, the same niche as you guys. Like another plumbing website would give you guys a backlink that would probably be powerful. If a pizza website, Pizza Hut, gave you one, it wouldn't do much for you because you guys are different niches. So, and this is your total keywords. You have 5.2 keywords, and it's bringing you in 6.4K traffic. That's to your total site now. I know you have a bunch of service pages which all rank separately, so I did not see your Glendale service page even ranking. So we would target that and get it in here. I put your competition, Mike Diamond Services, in here. He's got a 43 and a 37, which is a little bit better than you guys, but not very unbeatable. You know what I mean? We could easily take that over. He's got 2,000 referring domains, giving him 20,000 backlinks. 27.5K keywords with an organic traffic of 40,000, bring in 400K a month. So we could go through, pick apart all his keywords in this right here, see which ones relate to your Glendale location, and add them throughout your content. Now this is search volumes. This is how much times somebody's typing in this phrase every month, and this is how hard it is to rank for it. 100 being the hardest, 0 being the easiest. So if this, let's find an easy one so I can show you. Repair service. I want to find one for your area so you kind of see what I mean. Of course. Here we go. Plumber Van Nuys. 300 search volume with a 5KD. Therefore, that's 300 people typing this in, and there's not many other websites that have this exact keyword in it. So you could easily rank for that. He's in the 3rd position for that. Plumber Chino, 100 searches, 0 KD. So if you put that in your content exactly like that throughout your 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page, boom, you would start pulling clients that are typing this in. Plumber Costa Mesa, 301. Encino, 250, 0. There's so much search volume for a plumber in these areas with barely any competition that you guys should be through the roof if it was done right with business. So once again, we went over content. Your front page needs at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of keyword-rich optimized content. Citations, you'd like to get 200 to 300 citations so you can beat out these guys completely and never let them come back and beat you. I don't know if you guys had this GMB built or not, but I highly suggest getting on it. And if you need help with that, I would love to help you guys. You guys have a great website going, and just needs a little push to get you guys to the top. And the third thing would be link juice. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. If you implement these strategies today, you can be #1 across Google. I'm psychic, remember? So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you with today and do it on your own. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call. 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee, and my phone number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you guys, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching.